Alright. Well, I am going to make an acai bowl. This should be interesting. I'm winging it too, okay? So here we go. First, you take some protein powder of your choice, obviously. And then I'll add some cacao, as they say it. Let's say it. And I'll add some of this. I probably won't sleep tonight, but that's another story. That'll really keep you up until I. Okay, so we got these two in. We're good. Then I put a little milk in it. I don't put too much though, because then it gets a little bit, I think, too liquidy. Then I got the messy part, the real messy part that I don't like. But they're acai packages, and I just basically, they're frozen, and I just kind of, you can get them at Trader Joe's, the best deal. I'll just give you guys the best. Okay? Then you probably want to wash your hands. It's like a shit show. Then, let's see, then we are going to add some frozen bananas, and I chop them up, and then, oh, they're not that frozen right now. But this works out good. So I'll put some bananas in there, and then I got frozen berries and blueberries, strawberries. Hold on here. Okay. I'll just put like a handful. Kinda. I like more of the blueberries. All right. There we go. Good times. Let's see. Now, let's see. Am I forgetting anything? Okay, I don't think so. But I said I don't think. That's another story. All right, let's see what happens here. To continue, let's just say. Then, put it in here.